In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Google Play. If you want a simple way to pay for apps, games, subscriptions, or other purchases through the Play Store, linking your PayPal account can make checkout much faster. The good news is that the process is very straightforward and you can do it directly from your Android device in just a few moments. To get started, open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you actually use for Play Store purchases, since the payment method will be added to that account. Once the Play Store is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This opens the account menu where you'll find settings related to your Google Play activity. From that menu, select Payments and Subscriptions. This is the section where Google Play lets you manage how you pay for purchases, memberships, and recurring charges. Next, tap Payment Methods. Here you'll see the payment options already connected to your account if any are listed. This page is also where you can add a new method for future purchases. Now choose Add a Payment Method and then select PayPal from the available list. If PayPal appears as an option, tap it to continue. Keep in mind that payment options can vary depending on your country or region, so the exact list may look slightly different on your device. After that, enter the email address linked to your PayPal account and the phone number associated with it, then continue through the on-screen prompts. Google Play will guide you to sign into PayPal and authorize the connection between your PayPal account and your Google Play account. As you go through this part, make sure the information you enter matches your PayPal details so the setup goes smoothly. Once the authorization is complete, PayPal should appear as one of your payment methods in Google Play. That means you can start using it for eligible purchases right away. If you ever want to change your default payment option later, you can return to the same payment methods section and manage it there. And that's it. That's how to add PayPal to Google Play. If you're following along on your own device, take your time with the sign in and authorization screens, and you should be set up in just a minute or two.